Hi guys, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. My name is LaWanda. If you are new here, if you are returning, welcome back. All right guys, I'm doing a tag video today talking about one of my favorite loves, handbags. So thank you, Mrs. B Lux Life, for tagging me in this video. I don't know, I kind of maybe hinted about tagging myself and she said, I got you, I got you. So she tagged me. I have been enjoying watching these videos, so I am excited to do my own version of it. I took this task so seriously. Like, I don't have a ton of bags, I have enough, but I thought about it. If for 365 days I could only carry 5 bags, what would they be, guys? And I took my notes. I thought about the different seasons. I know there's 4 seasons, but in Florida, they really all run together and there's kind of like spring and summer, fall and winter, right? And there are certain bags that I wear in each season. So I took that into account. I took into account variety to prevent boredom. Like, because I'm so used to having so many bags, I don't want to get bored. Like, so I needed to have some variety in terms of styles, colors, brand variety was very important to me. Occasions, particularly date night, I needed a bag that I could wear easily to date night that would transition. And I wanted it to be, these bags to be functional so I could wear them from day to dinner type of thing. I thought about travel. Now, it did not exclude travel bags, or it didn't say that you couldn't have separate travel bags, but I thought about the handbags that I would use when I'm traveling. It had to come from these 5. So that was included. And then, like I said, just versatility, functionality. I thought about all those things. So this was hard. This was not easy, but I have come up with 5 bags and 3 SLGs that I would use for 365 days. If you are interested in seeing what they are, please keep watching. All right, I hope my lighting is okay because I think it just went dark. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna talk about is just like everyday bags. And I also thought about my lifestyle. I have a very casual lifestyle, a very athleisure lifestyle, a very busy lifestyle. I'm always on the go and I have simple things. I don't have a lot of big extravagant things that I get dressed up for, but my lifestyle is casual. And so I had to choose. The most important piece in this had to be just everyday bags that I could just grab and go. The grab and go bags for me are everything. So there are 2 bags in particular that I'm going to start with. One of the bags I am carrying now, and I just talked about it, and that is this one. It is my Prada Tessuto Saffiano, something like that, messenger crossbody sling bag. Guys, I told you about this. I bought this I brought it several weeks ago, but I just, revealed it to you guys a couple of weeks ago. This bag is everything. I've been wearing it nonstop. It is so casual. It is so easy. It is so low maintenance. But then it's very elevated in a very quiet luxury kind of way. So it's like it's elevated, but you're not doing too much because it just has that Prada logo right there that just elevates whatever you have on. But it's black, it's nylon. The strap is adjustable. It's just a great bag. It fits so much, guys. I showed you in the last video how much it fits, and I don't have to worry about it. It is so carefree. I'm obsessed with it. And it's the size of it is a small, I don't say it's a medium-sized bag that acts like a large bag because you can fit so much in here. It's insane. It's so comfortable to lay across my shoulders. I mean, I feel like, and I don't know if this is from the men's line or not, but the thickness of the strap and the color of it reminds me of a bag that would come like from a men's line, which I am so drawn to. And so I thought, for 365 days of the year, I know I would grab this bag over half of them. So like it had to be on there. All right, and we're talking about variety. And so this bag should come as no surprise to you. An everyday bag that I could see myself wearing multiple times in a year would certainly be this one. This is the Coach Radio camera bag. If you guys remember, last year I got this bag. I don't remember. I got it when I got the Mott messenger bag, and I have a video that I will link below. I am obsessed with this bag. This is one of the best bags I think I've ever purchased. It's leather bag. It has the silver hardware, adjustable strap. This bag is from the men's line. It is so generous on the inside, guys. I can put so much in here. It has this part that snaps. I really don't snap it that much, but it has that in there. And then it has this open part right here. This bag fits so much. It is considered a small bag, but it fits so much. It is just so great for every day. It's lightweight. I love the chunky hardware on here. It's simple. It just says, Coach right here. And the quality of this leather is just so buttery. It says genuine full grain leather right there. If you guys can see that, I don't know if you guys can see that. It says genuine full grain leather. And yeah, the pull tab is generous, so easy to open. The back part is generous. I can put my phone in here, or, my wallet or anything I want. Guys, this is probably my best purchase from Coach. I'm trying to think of the other bags that I have. This probably is my best purchase from Coach because it's versatile. I can just wear it every single day. And you can change out the strap. I happen to love the thick, chunky strap, but you can change out the strap if you want to make it a little bit more feminine. And I also like the look of it. It's very clean. I like the boxy shape of it. And so this one had to go on the list, guys. It's just so great. So now we got that out of the way. Spoiler alert, the rest of these bags are Louis Vuitton. Y'all already knew. Y'all already knew. Okay, the bag that had to be on this doggone list had to be my Neverfull GM. Y'all know. We love big bags over here. And we love the Neverfull GM. I have this in Damier Azur as well. And I can carry this all year round. The color of this classic monogram is great all year round. If I need a larger bag, if I need a work bag, if I need a travel bag, it's just so amazing. It is one of my most carried bags from Louis Vuitton, absolutely. And this bag, I have the neutral interior. It has a pocket in here I could put things in. This also came with that pouch that I gave to my daughter, but that's another reason why I would choose this, because it does come with that removable pouch, and you can use that on its own as well. So it's kind of like you get two bags in one with it. This bag is huge. I always keep it like this, but if you want it smaller, of course you can cinch in these sides and it becomes a smaller bag. I had to have a bag in here that would satisfy me and scratch my itch for wanting a big bag, because a lot of times I carry a lot of stuff and I had to have an option. This was the best option because I can wear it 365 days of the year. I can wear it all around. It's gotten wet. I mean, it rains a lot here, but I'm not even worried about it now because it has such a great patina that I just grab my bag and go. I do try to cover it if it's raining when I can, but it has some water spots on it, but it still looks great. One of my favorite bags of all time from Louis Vuitton. So the Neverfull GM would have to be on my 365-day list. All right, guys, this is so much fun. So then, guys, I started thinking about the seasons, and you guys know that my second obsession after monogram is Damier Azur, and my number one style of bag that I love the most, you guys know, is the Speedy. So I thought about the spring and summer months when I love to bring out my Damier Azur, and a lot of people wear Damier Azur all year long. This is Florida. It's warm, really, so much of the year. You can wear your bags whenever you want to wear your bags. So when I wanted, if I needed a spring summer bag, or if I just wanted to wear a Speedy because I love the Speedies, I'm going to go with this one. And I chose my Speedy 35 in Damier Azur. Right, guys? So we had to get the big mama here, the Speedy 35. I chose the Damier Azur because I love the handles, and I just love the look of this bag. It's just a gorgeous bag. You guys know, I don't need to say much about the Speedy. I can fit this Speedy 35 bag. I can fit so much into it. It's not even funny. I just have it stuffed with other type of dust bags. I have to have a bag that I can use in the spring or summer. I have to have Damier Azur, because in the spring and summer, all I want to do is carry Damier Azur. So if I'm not doing like one of my throw around, like the bag that I have today or whatever, if I'm intentional about it, I am choosing Damier Azur, and I have the Neverfull GM SLGM and Damier Azur, which was so hard not to put on this list. I have my newest bag that I just got that I've been carrying a ton. And I thought about including that bag, but no, the Speedy won out because the Speedy is just my favorite type of bag. And I cannot wait to use her more this summer, get even more of a nice patina on these handles. It's just an attractive bag that just makes a statement, and I absolutely love her. So my Speedy 35 in Damier Azur is the one that I would pick if I could only have one of my Speedies in this 5-bag rotation. This is the one that I would choose. All right, guys, in my 5th bag, I had to think about that date night component. But I also wanted a bag. I didn't want to carry a bag that was only date night because I only have 5 bags. So I got to have some versatility in these bags, some functionality in these bags. And so the bag that I chose was my Alma BB in the World Tour print. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed with this bag. This bag is so perfect for like date night. This is the bag I take most often on date night. I can either wear it with the strap, or you could take the strap off and dress it up even more. It's just a bag that's just elevated. And I love that about this bag. So it fits so much. When I first was thinking about this bag, I waited for a really long time because I didn't think it would fit as much as it does. Guys, it fits so much. For date night, I just always find myself pulling for this bag. But the beauty of it is that it works just as well in the daytime. And so it would just be another option that I have available to me that I could use in a variety of different ways to help prevent boredom, to give me some more, excitement and versatility, and give me some more options. This one had to be on the list. I love the black on this bag, the black leather. It is no longer available. This is the World Tour line. This line was discontinued about 2 years ago. So unfortunately, this is not available, but I know they have since come out with other collections where you have, more of that black, on here. My girl Liz just bought, is it the Speedy trunk bag that she get? I can't remember. Both her and Ebony, Forever Ebony, they got bags. I think Ebony got the Alma BB in that new collection, and it has that black around it. So they have since come out with different options where you can get a similar pattern. But I love the World Tour. I have the World Tour Speedy. I am so glad I got a couple bags from that collection before it was no longer around. But yeah, this is the one that I would choose for my date night, my, day to dinner type of look. This would have to be it. So I'm so glad that I have this bag in my collection, and it would certainly go in my 5-bag rotation. All right, guys. So those are the bags. SLGs, oh my goodness. You guys know I did a video last year about my SLG collection. I have a ton. I have a ton of SLGs. So this was not easy at all. And my battery is getting ready to die, so let me finish. But I did select it again, versatility. And some people may say I cheated here, but this is the way it goes. I chose my pochette accessoire. This is considered to be a SLG within Louis Vuitton. It functions as a handbag as well. So this would be great in any of my bags just as a carry-all. It's great, but it's even more impressive just as a bag itself. So I've added a strap to this bag, and I wear this bag most often as a standalone. On vacation, it's one of my most used bags. When I'm just running around date night, I carry this bag a lot. You can switch up the strap on this and dress it up or down. That you can do that. But yeah, I had to choose this one because it's so versatile. I can use it as a bag. I can use it as a catch-all. It will fit into my large bags here. So I had to choose this one. I just love it. I have this one in a Damier Azur print as well. But this bag is one that I would highly recommend if you're starting out with Louis Vuitton. Just a bag I would recommend from Louis Vuitton in your collection would certainly be this bag. It's just an amazing, versatile bag. So I had to include this one in there. And then, of course, will come as no surprise as well, we had to do the keep out small. Did you guys think that I would not include this? This would pretty much be like the wallet that I would use most often. I use this bag as a wallet. What I love about this is that on this, I can connect a wristlet to it and make it like a wristlet bag. Hold on, let me do that real quick. I have this. This is my Louis Vuitton Recto Verso, which I absolutely love this one. I would hate not to be able to use this for a year. But I can take this little wristlet and I can put it right here on this bag, and I can use it as a wristlet. So not only is it like a wallet, but I can just take it out and I can wear it on its own. And I love that, guys. This is probably my favorite SLG from Louis Vuitton would be this Keep Out Small. It's versatile. It fits everything that I need to fit in here. I mainly use it as a wallet, but I can put some little accessories in there. Some little toiletries or trinkets will fit in here as well. And like I said, I can wear it alone or in any of my bags. This had to be with me, so definitely on my list of my 3 SLGs, okay? And then finally, guys, I'm going to choose a bag that just gives me some versatility, some options, a different brand option, coordinates with some of my black and silver bags. It had to be this one. This is my YSL card holder. This is the bag. This is the card holder, the wallet that I've been in for the last few weeks. It is so generous. It fits so much. It has a little pocket on the back, but it's just great. I love that YSL there, the silver. This is a little statement piece too. Anytime I'm out, when I pull this out in Louis Vuitton to pay, the SA commented, she was like, that is a nice wallet. You know, it just makes a statement and I just love it. I love the chevron design of it and it's so easy to carry. So I would definitely have to include this because it just gives me another option that I could, you know, interchange the 2 wallets with, and it fits in all of my bags. It would just be great. Love the way that it coordinates with my black and silver, right? So I like to coordinate, so I didn't want to lose that completely, you know, by just only having 3 SLGs and 5 bags. So this is the one that I chose, the 3rd SLG that I chose. Woo, guys, that was not easy, and I almost felt guilty because I have so many bags that I love, but those would be the 5, and it really kind of made me think as well. I don't need so many doggone bags. If I can make these choices based upon the things that I just shared with you guys and really do this, use 5 bags, and really guys, 5 bags is a lot still. For all year, why do I need so many bags? I mean, those other bags are just kind of sitting there. I don't need them. But anyway, I guess I'm a little bit of a collector and I love handbags, and so it is what it is. But this was such a fun activity, and it's helping me to really start thinking about downsizing a little bit, because I can be content with less. This exercise certainly showed me that, right? All right, guys, my battery is like blinking at me. We're almost dead here, so we're gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you have a happy, safe, and healthy week. Whatever you do, guys, make it cozy. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.